I will try today clean this scratch. It's been a little bit high. It scratched to my car. I already cleaned this to see how it looks like once you clean and use the proper scratch cleaner. Turtle heavy duty rubbing component. First of all, just wash to see what is going down. Once you clean a little bit, you'll use the turtle heavy duty rubbing component. How you do? Just take a heavy duty component, put in, just let it dry a little bit. Because it's too hot today, it will be dry so quickly. You can see it start changing the color. And now just scratch it down. And just continue to do till you finish. It's probably take a long time, and just repeat the step all the time. You can see that it's over here start going down. This will be not perfect because it's a deep scratch. It's from the crash car. It's happened to me. You will see the result is slow. Just use your search. As you can see, the scratch is going down. Just take your time. Now it's about 5 minutes later. As you can see, the scratches already looks much better. There's still some stuff, you can take it off. Use a strange. Don't worry. Cannot make a bigger scratch. It's already there scratch. Just take off this. Yeah, just pause. Still continue. Stuff looks better and better. This Turtleox Recompose rubbing compound heavy duty cleaner really works. You will have an electric cleaner, and then is your finger. That will be probably much quicker and better job to done. But as you can see, it's actually working even with the hand. As you can see, I cleaned that, and now wash. And now I will use the Smart Polish cleaner. And now use the Balsam Quick Polish. Yeah, and that's it. That's how it looks like. See, still deep. I think it's just only left here, which is missing the color. We cannot put this compound rubber stuff down, but yeah, otherwise it's give you really good result. Yeah. Hopefully you like it. Click like, subscribe. Yeah, good stuff. Really good stuff.